Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be answering a question from one of the viewers. How do you create and sell ebooks from scratch, even if you are not a writer? Great question, and in this video, I'll be walking you through the entire process using free or low-cost AI tools. Let's jump right in. Ebooks are one of the easiest ways to start making passive income, and here is why. You only create it once. You can sell it forever. There are no shipping or inventory costs. And you can sell it on Amazon, Etsy, or your own website, or even on Gumroad. Plus, with AI tools, you don't need to be a professional writer or designer. Let me show you how to do it step by step. You want to start by picking a topic people want, focusing on solving a problem or sharing a skill. And here are some of the winning niches that you can start creating your ebook in. Health and wellness, things like your gut health, intermittent fasting, money and side hustles, self-help or productivity, parenting tips, digital marketing, recipes or meals. You can also use Google Trends or TikTok search or Amazon Kindle to help you find the popular topic. You want to write a book in a topic that people want or searching for information in. So product research will be very, very important. So you want to head over to our good friend ChatGPT and write your outline for your ebook. You can use a free account at chat.openai.com, and here is a simple prompt that I have written. Give me a 7-chapter outline for an ebook about whichever topic you choose. Each chapter should focus on a key solution to a problem. ChatGPT will give you a full outline which you can tweak. Don't overthink it, just focus on the value. Now that we have an outline, we can expand the outline into chapters. You can still use ChatGPT with prompts like write chapter 1, depending on the topic, in a friendly, helpful tone, include real-life examples. Or you can use Koala Writer, Writer Sonic, or Jasper AI for more advanced writing tools. Remember, you can edit and add your own stories to make it even feel more personal. Now let's head over to Canva so we can put this outline into a template. So head over to canva.com, search ebook, and choose a template that you love. Add your text, use AI-generated images from Canva, Leonardo AI, or Pixels. You can use custom colors and fonts. Keep it clean and minimal. Now that you're ready with your template and your ebook written, export it as a PDF. Bam! Your ebook is done. And now you can upload and sell your ebook on Amazon KDP, Gumroad.com, Payhip.com, or your own website or a link tree. Don't forget to create a great cover, write a short, powerful description, add testimonials or reviews if you can. Here is a tip most people miss. Bundle your ebook into mini courses, add them to your email funnel for extra income. And don't forget to create short form content on TikTok and YouTube Shorts to promote it using AI tools. Happy selling! And if you have found any value up to this point, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and turn on your notifications so you can get informed of any future videos that I drop. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more passive income tips with AI, and if you want a done for you ebook template to start fast, check the description. I have got some freebies down there. Drop a comment if you want me to walk you through the publishing process next. See you in the next one.